Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to sign in Gmail account in Android. Let's get started. So if you want to add a Gmail account in your Android device, what you can do is just simply open up your Gmail application. After opening up your Gmail application, now what you can do is just simply tap on your profile icon, which is on the top right corner of your screen. After tapping on your profile icon, now what you can do is just tap on this option which says add another account. So after tapping on add another account, now what you can do is just select this first option, which is Google. And now in order to add a new account or to sign in a new account to your device, what you can do is just simply enter the email address or phone number. So after entering the email address or your phone number, now what you can do is just simply tap on next. After tapping on next, now what you have to do is just simply enter your account's password. After entering your account's password, just tap on next. After tapping on next, now you will receive a message in your account or in your device which is linked with that email address. So what you have to do is just open up that authentication message and then verify your account by typing on yes, it's me. So after typing on yes, it's me, you have a number in your device. You can see it in your screen, the 34. So what you have to do is in another device you will find a 34 number. You just have to tap on it. So after tapping on it, it will automatically take you to the next step, and now what you can do is just tap on I agree. And after tapping on I agree, you have successfully added that email address to your account. So now what you can do is just simply tap on your profile icon, which is on the top right corner of your screen. Then check if you have successfully added that email address to your account. So here you can see I have successfully added that email address to my account. So this is how you can add or sign in an email address to your Android device. So that's it guys. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.